Hello. If you're a professional in an assisted living facility, you've probably heard the buzz about wireless nurse call systems. But what makes them a smart choice for assisted living facilities? Let's dive in. First off, wireless nurse call systems offer incredible flexibility. Unlike traditional wired systems, wireless ones are super easy to install. No need for extensive cable routing or major structural modifications. That means less disruption to your facility and quicker deployment. And let's not forget about cost savings. Wireless systems eliminate recurring software costs and often come with free technical support. Plus, you have the flexibility to use your existing staff or contractors for installation. And here's the best part, remote troubleshooting is a breeze. Now, scalability is a huge advantage. These systems are easily expandable and offer backward compatibility. No need to worry about relying on third-party hardware either. That means consistent performance and seamless integration with your existing systems. Implementation is also straightforward. Patient stations are 100% wireless, and the repeaters can be positioned flexibly. Dome lights have easy wire routing, and pocket paging connects directly to central systems. It's all designed to make your life easier. So why choose wireless over wired? The benefits are clear. Easier installation, lower cost, greater flexibility, and more reliable performance. Plus, maintenance is simpler, and compliance with regulations is a breeze. That's it for today. If you're considering a nurse call system for your assisted living facility, BC Integrated Solutions Wireless System is definitely the way to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthcare insights. See you next time.